Welcome to Repo app. To begin, please input your login credentials, which you may have received from your administrator. Enter your client ID, username, and password, then proceed by clicking on the login button. Congratulations, you have successfully logged in. Now, you'll be greeted with a visually appealing dashboard. Here, you'll find detailed analytics of your repo process. To initiate a new campaign, navigate to the menu icon located on the left side and click on it. From there, select Settings followed by Campaigns. You'll be presented with your existing campaign list. Next, click on the plus icon situated in the corner to add a new campaign. Begin by entering the desired name for the campaign, then specify the start and end dates along with the respective times. Ensure the status is set to On and then click Submit. Your new campaign will now appear in the campaign list. If you wish to modify or delete any campaign, you can easily do so from this section. Now, let's proceed to upload our allocation data. To do this, click on the menu icon once again and then select Transactions. From there, click on Import Master. Here, you have the option to download a sample file to understand the required format for data upload. Ensure that the status remains On. If a loan number already exists, choose to update from existing data so that the remaining details are updated accordingly. Next, select the campaign that you previously created. Once selected, you can proceed to upload your CSV file. Click on Submit to initiate the upload process. Congratulations, your data has been successfully uploaded. Following the upload process, navigate to File Master. Here, you'll find the name of the uploaded file along with details such as found, disposed, total records, search records, and the validity period of the file. You have the option to edit or delete the file as needed. Additionally, you can set the status to either active or inactive. When the status is deactivated, the allocation assigned to agents will no longer be visible to them, thereby preventing them from working on it. Only active files will enable your team to continue their work on the allocation. Within user management, you have the ability to create new supervisors or agents, granting them access to designated campaigns while defining their permissions. To create a supervisor, navigate to Supervisor. Next, click on the plus icon located in the corner. Provide the necessary details for the individual you wish to appoint as a supervisor, including profile photo, first name, last name, email ID, 10-digit mobile number. Date of joining. Select the campaign to which you want to assign the supervisor. Once completed, click on Update while ensuring the status remains active. Within Supervisor Access, you have the option to define the specific privileges you wish to grant to your supervisors. These privileges include View Campaign. Your supervisor can only view the campaign. Toggle this option to enable it. Add Campaign. Your supervisor can add a new campaign. Edit Campaign. Your supervisor can modify existing campaigns. Delete Campaign. Your supervisor can delete campaigns. Add Agents, edit agents, and delete agents. Your supervisor can perform these respective actions on agents. Access to Import Master, Bulk Upload, and Disposition Summary. Your supervisor can access these features as needed. After selecting the desired access permissions, click Submit. Upon successful creation, the supervisor will be listed among other supervisors. You have the flexibility to edit or delete supervisors and modify their access privileges as required. With this, your supervisor is successfully created. You can create multiple supervisors according to your package requirements. Let's explore the process of creating agents, which is quite straightforward. Begin by navigating to User Management. Then click on Agents. Next, click on the plus icon located in the corner. Fill in all the necessary details of the agent, including profile photo, first name, last name, email ID, ten-digit mobile number, date of joining. Select the campaigns to which you want to assign the agent. You can add the agent to multiple campaigns if needed. Once all details are entered, click on Update while ensuring the status remains active. Now, you need to determine the access permissions for the agent. Decide whether they can view the disposition summary and the search log of vehicles searched by their phone. Toggle the corresponding options accordingly. After making your selections, click on Submit. Upon successful addition, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating agent added successfully, and the list of all created agents will be displayed. Now, let's delve into the process of creating a disposition and understand its significance. The purpose of creating a disposition is to document various outcomes encountered by agents during their tasks. These could include finding a vehicle, collecting cash, or encountering situations where the vehicle owner has absconded. Agents can provide additional details in the remarks section to keep track of relevant information associated with the vehicle. To create a disposition, follow these steps. 1. Navigate to Settings. 2. Click on Disposition. 3. Locate and click on the plus icon situated in the corner. 4. Enter the desired disposition name. 5. Optionally, you can create subdispositions by adding commas between different subdispositions such as cash collect and ran away. Six. Click on Submit. All the dispositions you have created will be listed here, providing you with the option to edit or delete them as necessary. This concludes our lesson on how to create a disposition. Now, let's understand how agents can efficiently search for vehicles. 1. Start by navigating to the dashboard and clicking on the three dots located on the left side. Choose the Search Vehicle option. 2. The campaigns assigned to the agent by the admin will be displayed. The agent needs to select the relevant campaign and then click on OK. 3. After clicking on Scan and granting necessary permissions, your device's camera will activate, allowing you to scan the vehicle. Alternatively, you can manually search by typing the vehicle number or chassis number. Upon selecting the vehicle number, all pertinent details of the vehicle owner, such as phone number, loan amount, and vehicle particulars, will be displayed. If the agent finds the vehicle on the road and collects cash after conversing with the vehicle owner, they can proceed by clicking on the disposition icon located on the right side. 6. In the disposition interface, the agent will select the appropriate disposition and subdisposition, along with providing any relevant information in the remarks section. Finally, click on Submit. This process enables the agent to efficiently search for vehicles, with all details readily accessible to the admin. Upon clicking on Analytics, users will gain access to comprehensive details. Disposition Summary provides an overview of disposition activities. Login Log displays information regarding user login and logout activities within the application. Activity Log shows the actions undertaken by agents, supervisors, and admins throughout the day, along with the associated locations. Search activity offers insights into vehicle search activities, including which user initiated the search and the corresponding locations involved. Click on the three dots on the left side of the dashboard. You need to click on Punching for agents and supervisors. Through this, the admin can view the attendance, login, and logout details of agents and supervisors. Agents can access information about their allocated campaign by navigating to Repo Application. Within this feature, they can view the specifics of their allocation as well as details pertaining to loans. You have the option to view and restore any files that you or your supervisor have deleted by clicking on Unmark. Upon selecting Unmark, the file will be restored to its original state. However, files deleted from the archive master will be permanently removed and cannot be restored. To update your profile photo, follow these steps. 1. Click on the three dots menu icon. 2. Select Profile. 3. Next click on Update Profile Image. 4. From there, you can update your photo as desired. You can control the alert sound that notifies you when a vehicle is found by toggling it on or off. This option allows you to manage the sound settings at any time.